Zhu Su is a name that carries weight in the cryptocurrency world, though not always for the right reasons. He's the co-founder of Three Arrows Capital, a hedge fund that once managed billions in digital assets. Before the catastrophic collapse in 2022, Zhu was considered a visionary in crypto investing, but his legacy shifted dramatically when Three Arrows Capital imploded, losing billions of dollars and shaking confidence across the entire industry. Today, he remains an influential voice on X, despite his controversial past. Understanding who Zhu Su is crucial to understanding why his latest posts generate such intense debate and polarized reactions from the crypto community. In June 2022, Three Arrows Capital collapsed spectacularly. The hedge fund had overextended itself through leveraged positions in cryptocurrency and had made aggressive bets that backfired when markets turned bearish. The fund lost approximately $3 billion, sending shockwaves through the crypto ecosystem. Creditors, investors, and the broader community felt the impact. Lenders like BlockFi and Celsius faced insolvency partly due to exposure to Three Arrows. The collapse raised serious questions about risk management and accountability in crypto finance. For many observers, Zhu Su became synonymous with reckless gambling disguised as sophisticated investment strategy. This event permanently altered how the market perceives his market calls and predictions. Despite his history, Zhu Su has maintained a significant following on X, with over 100,000 followers. He never disappeared from the spotlight. Instead, he continued posting analysis, market predictions, and commentary on cryptocurrency trends. This is what makes him so fascinating and controversial. The crypto community is split. Some view him as a cautionary tale, a warning about overconfidence and leverage. Others believe he gained valuable lessons from failure and can provide genuine insight. His return to making bold predictions reignites the debate every single time. When he posts, X explodes with reactions ranging from excited support to harsh criticism. This duality makes his presence on social media incredibly polarizing and engagement-driving. When Zhu Su posts something significant, it immediately generates hundreds of responses on X. His latest prediction or hot take has sparked exactly this kind of frenzy. Supporters flood replies with rocket emojis and agreement, saying things like, "Finally someone says it," or "Been thinking this for months." Critics, however, don't hold back. They reference his Three Arrows failure, questioning his credibility, and asking whether followers should trust his analysis. Some users demand receipts and data, asking for specific reasoning behind his claims. Others make it personal, suggesting he's trying to profit from pump-and-dump schemes. The discourse reveals deep fault lines in how the crypto community perceives redemption, accountability, and second chances. His tweet becomes a mirror reflecting broader tensions in crypto culture. Zhu Su's defenders make compelling arguments. They point out that learning from failure is valuable, and that his experience navigating crypto markets, even disastrously, provides genuine insight. Some argue his analysis of market cycles and blockchain technology is sound, separate from his hedge fund's risk management failures. They believe one catastrophic error shouldn't permanently disqualify someone from intelligent commentary. Many supporters are themselves experienced traders and investors who respect his understanding of DeFi protocols, tokenomics, and market structure. They argue the collapse happened to many during that period, suggesting broader market conditions rather than unique incompetence. Supporters also note that he's transparent about his past, not hiding from it. They see his continued presence on X as someone genuinely passionate about crypto's future, regardless of personal losses. Critics present an equally forceful case. They argue that losing $3 billion isn't a minor stumble worthy of quick forgiveness. In their view, Zhu Su's overconfidence led to catastrophic failure that harmed countless people. When he makes new predictions, skeptics see patterns of unsubstantiated confidence. They question whether someone who failed so spectacularly should be influencing investment decisions for thousands of followers. Critics point out that the crypto community has short memory and easily forgets past disasters. They worry about retail investors, particularly newcomers who might not know Zhu's history, taking his calls seriously and losing money. Some go further, suggesting he uses his platform to pump projects that benefit him personally. These critics view his continued influence as a failure of the industry to hold powerful figures accountable for massive losses. Perhaps the central question is straightforward. Should you trust Zhu Su's analysis? This isn't about morality or whether he deserves a second chance. It's practical. Does his track record suggest he provides reliable market predictions? The answer is complicated. Yes, he has valuable knowledge about crypto markets and blockchain technology, but his most important test, managing billions in capital, ended catastrophically. Some argue you can learn valid investment wisdom from someone whose execution failed. Others contend that if someone's judgment was wrong at billion-dollar stakes, their future predictions are unreliable. The crypto community remains divided on this fundamental question. What's clear is that blindly following any influencer, regardless of past performance, is dangerous. Critical thinking, independent research, and healthy skepticism should always guide investment decisions. The crypto industry moves quickly, and Zhu Su's influence will likely continue evolving. Whether his latest predictions pan out will significantly impact his credibility. If they prove accurate, supporters will claim vindication and view him as a recovering genius. If they fail, critics will use it as evidence that nothing has changed. The broader lesson transcends Zhu Su specifically. Cryptocurrency markets are volatile and unpredictable. No analyst, influencer, or fund manager has perfect foresight. The industry must grapple with accountability mechanisms and better risk management practices. For individual investors, following Zhu Su or any single voice requires caution. Diversify information sources, understand your own risk tolerance, and remember that past performance doesn't guarantee future results. The crypto space evolves constantly,